Yeah man peeps, so you don't know if this is your girl Kelly. So today I'm here with Toshi. Yeah man, she needs some assistance, some helping because she have kidney problem and others problem. So I'm gonna let us talk. She go tell her story and tell her what she need help with and what our situation is like. Yeah man, because of our situation she's unable to work and support. Yeah man, so she really needs some help. So anybody out there can help her, just reach out to me. You don't know my number in the description already. So you can reach out to me, whatever you can help with, you just reach out and let me know. So Toshi, go ahead and tell them your situation.
My name is Swan Hines. I'm having a difficulty with kidney problem and fibers and cysts, and I'm unable to work, and I have a lot of difficulties. Can't do much stuff like that, but I'm just trying. Really need the help for even something, money, anything. Just really need the help. As I was saying now, guys, I have surgery to do, and I need 4 pounds of blood for somebody to give me blood. That's what the doctor said. My blood count is low. I'm bleeding every month, bleeding out every month. I'm bleeding out every month. I need 4 pounds of blood. I need someone to help me out with the blood. Everybody I go to, nobody can help me without have to pay them to give me blood for my surgery. Blood is retaining in the body and all these stuff, so I'm going through a lot of stuff at the doctor right now. But I want to thank Kelly for everything she has done for me.
Yeah man peeps, so me already do what me can do for her. As she was saying, because she can't talk too loud enough peeps. Yeah, because when I tell her she talk louder, but she said she can't talk much loud, she can't too talk. Yeah man, she was saying that her body count is low, so she needs 4 counts of blood, and the doctors are saying that if she don't get it, she's supposed to do a surgery, and without the blood she can't do the surgery, and she said nobody that giving her any blood, she have to pay them, right? Yeah. And she also saying that she bleeding out the blood, so that is the reason. She said she was admitted in the hospital Friday she was admitted. Yeah, and she have kidney problem, only one kidney she have right now. Yes people, so she have
Fibers, 4 fibers.
she have 4 fibers and 2 cysts. Yeah man peeps. So anyway, you can help her, you just reach out to me. Yeah man peeps, and thank you very much. Yeah man, she really need help peeps. So please may I ask, whatever you can do, just reach out. Yeah man peeps, that is it.